Hello, welcome once again. This is results-oriented preparation, where early preparation equals excellent results. You might be asking yourself a lot of questions. Why isn't your business successful? You have looked around and you see your competitors, you see every new startup, you hear testimonials about this business making this amount of money, breaking into their first millions, some going into billions. Yet you find yourself in the same position. For example, you might be finding yourself even decreasing. Your audiences are decreasing. If you have a YouTube channel or any other media service, you find your profits going down. Then the question is why? Why are you not succeeding? You are in the right place today, for in our video we are talking all things digital marketing. How to use digital marketing to make your business and your brand relevant again. Please like, share the video and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for joining in. To solve a problem, we always need to go back to the reasons why you are facing the decreasing numbers of audiences, or why is your business not performing according to expectations. If you are in any business at all, in the fourth industrial revolution, we know we're talking all things internet, the internet of things, digital, everything is being digitalized. Now, looking at your marketing, what is happening right there in your marketing? How are you relating to your target market? How are you relating to your consumers? How are you relating to your audiences? If you are not transitioning to digital, it means that you are being caught up in a traditional way of doing things, and tradition will not work in the current business environment. One biggest reason why businesses are not succeeding is the failure to adapt to the changes that new technological advancements, as well as the development of new media channels, new communication platforms, social media, all the transition that is happening in that arena. Are you adapting your business to align with those? Because the current consumer is found on digital platforms, is found on social media. Are you relating to them on that level? Are you finding them there? If you're still stuck with print, if for example you're stuck with radio, you're stuck with television, then you are doing it wrong. You need to transition to digital. We have seen more and more people transitioning into this. People spend more time, probably your potential customers and everyone that you want to appeal to with your product, with your service, can be found and will be found on one platform or the other. So you need to find a way of having a communication strategy that will address them where they are. Another reason for failure possibly could be your failure to understand the dynamics in the power changes that are happening between the marketers, the sellers, and the consumers. Your customers have more power. Okay, back in the day, marketing, you learned, you went to college, university, you did marketing, and you were told about the 4 P's of marketing: the product, price, promotion, and place. Okay, those are quite well, but if you look at it really, it will not really profit you much to concentrate on those. This is my reason. Remember, after doing extensive research, you choose your target audience. From that research, you decide which product you want to sell to your customers. You see, it is still you deciding the product or the service that you want. It is you still that is going to decide what promotional tools to use. It is still you to decide the place where you're going to sell your product. Now, if you have done your research properly, by the time you get to the production of the product or the service, you'll find that there's been changes. Changes have already occurred. Customer taste and customer behavior is changing at a quicker pace. From the time you research to the time you put the product on the shelves, things have already changed. Therefore, this means that the power dynamics have shifted into the hands of the customer. Therefore, what we need to do in the current environment is to let the customer lead and let every business, every product, every brand follow what the customer is doing. And again, The easiest way to follow them is to follow what is happening on the digital platforms, what is happening on social media, on Instagram, what are the things they are liking, what are the things, the products that they're showing, or for example, the lifestyle, the culture will determine exactly what the product offering and the service that we need to produce to suit their particular needs. Another reason why you should use digital marketing is your ability to measure marketing communications. Now, for example, if you're using Facebook or you're using Instagram to market, you are able to measure the performance of your advert. For example, in Facebook, we have A/B testing, where you can have a single advert and have different options of that advert. And you can measure exactly how it's performing, who is watching, what their responses are, what the kind of feedback that you're getting in real time. This will then allow you to tailor make it for your specific audience to make sure that at the end of the day, you get the kind of results that you are looking for. Another reason why digital marketing will work for you is that it is user-centered. Now, what I mean by that is that the consumer becomes the center of all your operations. Everything that you do will be formed around. If you're developing a product, you're developing a particular tool, you're developing anything at all, it will be centered on the consumer. The consumer will be the one directing your activities. Now, it is important to swallow your pride as an entrepreneur. This will make you put your users, your consumers, this will make you put your target audience first. And in doing so, you are addressing their needs, you're addressing their wants, and the money will always follow the needs and the wants that are addressed. Another very important reason why we should go digital is digital marketing tools are interactive. You, on social media, you can respond in real time, or you can respond to requests in real time. You can respond to anything that the customer desires to know about the product, about the service in real time. In so doing, you are interacting directly with the people that you aim to serve. In doing so, this gives you an opportunity to get a competitive advantage over all the people that want to offer the alternatives to that particular target audience. Therefore, friends, digital marketing is the way to go. If you're a solopreneur, if you're a small business, you're a huge business, I don't care who you are, the best way to go is to go digital. Let's go digital today and see the changes that will happen in this current environment where we are operating in. I hope you really liked this content. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.